After using the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange for just over a week, I can confidently say this feels like one of Apple's boldest iPhones in years. From the brand new design to the upgraded cameras and the blazing fast A19 Pro chip, it's clear Apple wanted this to be a statement piece, not just another yearly upgrade. And that Cosmic Orange finish, it turns heads everywhere I go. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the new iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Let's go. So the iPhone 17 Pro brings a brand new design that truly looks and feels different from every iPhone before it. Apple has ditched the titanium build that we've seen in the iPhone 16 Pro for a ceramic glass plate paired with a unibody aluminium build. I went for the Cosmic Orange colorway and honestly, it looks fire. While I've seen mixed opinions online, I love the bold, energetic look. It's definitely a big shift from my usual black iPhones. If I could change one small thing, I'd prefer a single tone finish instead of the two-tone look. The blue model looks sleek too, but for me the orange wins hands down. There's also a silver option for the Pro models, but I haven't tested that one. Because the body is aluminium instead of titanium, it's less durable, so scratches and dents can happen more easily. I've already seen plenty of people online showing off their scuffed devices, so I can't stress this enough. Make sure you get a case and a screen protector ASAP. So I picked up a clear Taurus MagSafe compatible case, which lets me show off the orange finish while protecting the phone. It even includes a metal kickstand, which is super useful for watching videos, hands-free, whether you're eating, on the go, etc. I also paired that with a tempered glass screen protector. However, I did skip the lens protector because that could slightly affect photo and video quality. All the accessories I use I've linked down in the description below. The new large camera bump at the back might take a bit of time getting used to, but after a week, I honestly don't mind it. In fact, I find it makes the phone easier to grip as my finger naturally rests below the bump. Apple has kept the customizable action button that we saw in the iPhone 16, which I've set to mute my phone, which is quick and convenient. There's also a dedicated camera control button. It lets me instantly launch the camera and start taking photos without even touching the screen. Both buttons feel tactile, clicky, and satisfying to press. The speakers sound louder than last year's iPhone 16 Pro, and the difference is noticeable. This is due to Apple's added extra speaker holes at the bottom and a larger top grille, and you can hear the improvement when watching YouTube videos, movies, and listening to music on Spotify. The stereo separation and clarity are genuinely impressive for a phone. So the bezels are the same that we got last year, but the screen itself is brighter than ever. It now reaches 3000 nits of peak brightness, up from 2000 on the 16 Pro, so sunlight visibility is excellent. Apple also introduced a new anti-reflective coating, and it does help. The display looks clearer outdoors, reflections are reduced, though not entirely gone, and overall visibility feels better. The colors pop more and everything looks super fluid thanks to the 120Hz ProMotion panel. Apple claims the screen is now 3 times more shatter resistant. Anyway, time will tell, but that's reassuring. So my iPhone 17 Pro is the UK version, so it still includes a physical SIM tray. eSIM only models reportedly have slightly larger batteries because of the freed up space. Performance on the iPhone 17 Pro has been exceptional thanks to the powerful A19 Pro chip. The addition of a new vapor chamber cooling system ensures that the device stays cool under pressure, allowing it to maintain peak performance for longer periods. This was especially noticeable when running demanding battery-intensive apps or multitasking with video and photo editing, even while playing AAA games or recording 4K video. The phone remained impressively cool. This clearly shows that a vapor chamber is effectively preventing overheating and keeping the processor in an optimal state. As a result of this, the processor doesn't need to work as hard, which should also contribute to better battery efficiency. Speaking of battery, both the Pro and the Pro Max models come equipped with larger batteries, ranging to over 4000 to 5000 milliamps, depending on the variant you choose. So when compared to the 15 and 16 Pro, the 17 Pro lasts me through a full day of browsing YouTube, using Google Maps, social media, listening to music with just one charge. With the older models, I often needed to top up twice a day. An important tip that I recommend is to set your charge limit to 90% to help reduce long-term battery breakdown. And so far, it's been great. So this is the charging capacity of my iPhone 15 Pro after 2 years of use. And as you can see, it's dropped down quite significantly. Charging speeds are also very impressive, and from my testing, using my AUHI 40,000 mAh power bank, I hit 50% in just 17 minutes, and 90% in about 30 minutes. That's a major improvement. Moving on to the back of the iPhone 17 Pro features 3 48 megapixel cameras, which includes an ultra wide, a wide, and a telephoto, plus 2 times optical zoom and up to 8 times digital zoom. You can also zoom to 40 times, which is crazy for a phone. The photo quality is impressive. Colors look natural, details look sharp, and the low light performance is seriously good thanks to the improved sensors and Apple's new AI-powered image processing. The A17 Pro generally makes you question whether you still need a DSLR. The video performance is next level too. You can now shoot in 4K 120 frames per second with incredible stabilization and smooth autofocus. There's also a new dual capture mode, which lets you record using both the front and rear camera at once. Perfect for vloggers or spontaneous reaction videos. The selfie camera has been upgraded to 18 megapixel with an f1.9 aperture, shooting 4K video and featuring a wider lens. You can capture horizontal style shots even when holding your phone vertically. Great for social media content. I often switch to the Blackmagic app when filming for YouTube or social media since it gives me more control over exposure, iOS, and focus. Another great addition is being able to shoot video in log at 24, 30, and even 60 frames per second. However, if you're going to be shooting in 60 frames per second, then it does require an external storage device because the file sizes are going to be massive. So, what are my thoughts? After a full week with the iPhone 17 Pro, I can confidently say that this is one of Apple's most exciting upgrades in years. The cosmic orange design feels fresh and bold, the camera system is incredible, and the battery and performance are the best I've experienced on any iPhone. If you're upgrading from a 15 Pro or older, this is absolutely worth it. The improvements across display, camera, and performance makes a real difference. But if you already have a 16 Pro, you might want to hold off until the 18 or 19 Pro unless you're craving the new design or color. Normally, the sweet spot to upgrade is every 2 to 3 years. Either way, the iPhone 17 Pro is stunning, powerful, and capable device that shows Apple still knows how to mix innovation with style. However, just make sure to protect the aluminium frame and you'll be more than happy with your purchase. And until next time everyone, take care.